If you were looking for the top 3 meme coins on pump.fun, then I have them for you right here. Let's go ahead and dive right into it. So ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the ultimate pump.fun. You heard that correct. And if we actually take a look here, you guys can see that there is a massive amount of different tokens that are trending. Not only that, you can see right here, a lot of them are doing really good. All right, so getting right into it, you guys, we have the ultimate troll. You can see that right here, currently trending at $35 million market cap. And technically, you guys, this one it's back. All right, troll is back once again. Not sure what happened to the official troll, but you guys can see right here, it does state that this is what is this, over a year ago? That's what it looks like, but it definitely it's still hanging in there, surprisingly, if this is right. Actually, it doesn't even look like a year. Not really sure why this states right here a year ago. Maybe it's for that right there, that name. But anyways, once you guys understand, yeah, this is crazy. Thing looks good right now, still hanging in there, which is awesome. All right, and you guys can see the overall percentages. All right, first troll coin, let's send it. I mean, that'd be great, right? So that's gonna be one you definitely want to keep eyes on. Another one is gonna be VineCoin. This one, I mean, you guys, it's been here. We got 6 months ago is what it states, but look at this one. Like this one, it originally blew up and then came back down, right? So yeah, that definitely looks like 6 months ago. So and if we take a look here, you guys can see right now it is currently blowing up again. The question is how much higher can this go, right? So we got troll, and then we have VineCoin, right? And then obviously we got another one. We got Trencher Broadcasting Company, no idea what that is. All right, Gorbagna, all right, if that's correct. All right, and then we got Bog. So if we take a look here, this one's currently sitting at about 20 million market cap. That's absolutely insane, right? So looking pretty good there, to be honest with you. Take a look at the one chart. I mean, yeah, you guys can see this dev sold there, right? Not sure what happened there where he bought at first, but and you guys can see that, right? So absolutely crazy for that one. Okay, then if we take a look, we got this one known as Bog. So this one, the chart kind of looks pretty funny, but it's been here for about 27 days, I guess, so far. So overall, I mean, this one, wow. So the dev has bought up a massive amount, especially whenever it comes to this, and you guys can see that. Okay, so the dev has been buying, I guess I should say, quite a bit. So it hasn't bought since it's been up here. So looks actually pretty good. All right, so if we actually go back, you guys are going to see that there's going to be a lot more tokens here. So I'm going to say the ones that you definitely want to keep eyes on is going to be troll. That's going to be number 1. VineCoin, not sure how long it's going to last. We got the Spirit of Gambling. Okay, we got another one right here at Bob, also known as Blob, right? Almost looks like Blubber, if you guys remember who Blubber is. But you guys will see right here, I mean, this one, yeah, it did pretty good, and now it's kind of looking like it's ready to come down, right? So not really the greatest with that one. If we go ahead and continue though, let's see what we got here. We got this one at about 11 million, right? Let's see how it's doing so far. Let's take a look at the 5-day here. So this one's still hanging in there, but looking for all-time highs. It's okay, not the greatest, right? And then after that, we got another one right here. We got Ramsmer, right? Rasmer, right? So this one obviously not looking good either at the current moment, right? So do the 1 month there. Dev bot, right, at the horrible times. This thing's been falling ever since. Okay, so yeah, so troll coin, definitely one of the biggest ones you want to keep eyes on. We got a new one that's kind of popping over here. You can definitely see that it's blowing up right now, right? It does look pretty good in my opinion. If we take a look here at the 1 minute, it's at an all-time high, right? So the dev bot way down here. So bonding curve currently at 24%, all right? But if we go ahead and continue through the platform, you guys will see other ones. So this one was created about what, 15 minutes ago. This one's definitely blowing up as well. Currently sitting at about what, 34k market cap, right? All-time high. I like that. That's pretty cool. So that's definitely one that you want to keep eyes on. Ebert, right? And yeah, just kind of continuing here, you guys will see that there's many different coins or tokens that you really need to keep eyes on. However, I would definitely be careful with a lot of these. All right, so overall my opinion is that you want to go with Troll. That's a good one. Here's another one that's kind of gaining attention, but it's already blown up, right? Coming back down a little bit. You guys could definitely see that charting here, right? Kind of looks like it pumps up and comes back down. What else we got here? We got some other ones as well, right? Just kind of scrolling through. We got Salary, all right? $7 million market cap. Looks like this one's definitely coming back down here a little bit, right? So yeah, keep eyes on that one as well. And then if we just kind of continue, you'll see right here we got Chill House. So Chill House at $11 million market cap, right? So I'm gonna say Chill House, this could be a good entry here, especially on this one, considering that it does blow up quite a bit. Okay, and then we probably got another one as well, right? So if we just kind of take a look at some more of these, you guys will see Chill House is okay. We've got Poop Aurora. What is that one? Okay, that one's hanging in there. What else we got here? Monkey, right? So that's probably another one to keep eyes on as well. All right, so there you guys have it. Top 3 to keep eyes on. That one's definitely coming back down here. Okay, it's probably one to keep eyes on though, considering it's still hanging in there. Might come back down further, but we got Troll. We got Monkey, right? And then what else did we have? We had one more. Let's go back really quick and see if we can find it. So let's see what we had here, right? So we had Trench Coin, this one, and then we even had Salary, right? Chill House was the other one. So Chill House, all right? So there you guys have it. 3 different ones to keep eyes on. Let me know what you think. All right, we'll see you in the next one. Alrighty, so there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Be sure to let me know what did you guys think, and if you guys have any other type of let's say tokens that you have for pump.fun, then let me know. Leave a comment. All right, so smash up that like button, smash up the subscribe button, and we're gonna see you in the next video.